At the heart of all that happens here is a single living thing. At these latitudes, the sun's rays are weakest and open plains. Immense spaces. Eerie silence. But any feeling of emptiness is an illusion. New colours also come to the plains, and nowhere is more impressive than on the veldt of South Africa. It's a frisky business. That counts as a victory, but he can't assume the females will actually turn up. But when they do find paradise, they are liable to feed and drink for just a few hours and then head back to the dust for no apparent reason.